Hi class. One of the tools that we're going to use in this class is something called journals. When you're on the main page of our class, you're going to see the drop-down box, and the third thing down is your entry for journals. So go ahead and click there. Once you get there, you're going to have the statement about journals that will let you know that the journals are private. It's personal between you, the student, and myself, the instructor. No one else in the class has access to your personal journals. No one will be able to view those or view any feedback on those other than you. So just be aware of that. And then underneath here is the prompt area. And it also again shows you that it's a private journal. Journal 1, and you notice it's, if you're able to see it, it is a light blue. If you're using a screen reader, it will show up as a hyperlink. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. And it's going to take you to the journal instructions. And this is also sometimes called the prompt. This particular prompt is the one that asks you if you had a free ticket to go anywhere in the world, where would you go? If you had to pay for the ticket, where would you then go? If you had free college education, as much as you wanted, for as long as you wanted, what would you study? If you had to pay 100% of your education, what would you study? So what we're really looking at is for you to go in depth on these journals, to use some really good critical thinking, and put to use some of the things that we'll be learning in this class. To actually answer this journal or to start on it, you go up here where it says Create Journal Entry. You click on that, and it will give you something similar to what we see in our assignments, a place for your title, and this one I kind of already filled in a little bit, but you'll type in there my ticket. And then you begin typing in this whole white space area here, the dialog box, as we call it. So now if I had a ticket, and you just type on and on. At the bottom right corner, there is a word count, so it will tell you, like right down here, I typed 4 words, or the equivalency of 4 words. So some of the journals will ask you for 500 words. If they ask for at least 500 words, you want to be sure and look down here at the word count and make sure that you're doing the right amount of words. You can also type in a Word document and cut and paste into the dialog box. That will work. The other option that you have is that you may type into a Word document and then browse your computer for that document and attach it. The preference is you actually type in the dialog box, but if you need to attach a file, that's fine. That will work as well. Once you have it done, you can post it. If you're not quite done, you can save it as a draft and come back later and finish it. But we're done, so let's go ahead and post the entry. After we post it, it will show up in your gradebook as needing graded. When you do have it graded, or when I do grade it, you're going to see up here your actual grade, and then you'll see comments that I make. So I will give you personal feedback on all of your journals. You can also go over here to My Grades. When you get to My Grades, this shows you that it needs graded. And then once I do grade it, it will show up with the points here, and then you will also be able to see an area to click on for comments. And that is how we do journals.